Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Fine people of the world, man, this thing is looking amazing. If you have not seen the last video of this, go back, check it out before you see this one. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video and share it with somebody that you think might like it. So today we're gonna be working on getting this finished. So on the last video, finished out the whole front end, got everything in glass, and the back for the speaker pods looking amazing. So all that's left for this, the front end of the bike, we're gonna do some body work on it. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I wanna finish the rest of this build of getting all the fiberglass laid, and then we will do the whole sanding and the whole priming process and getting ready for paint. So I know I've been going back and forth on my design. However, I have narrowed it down. Oh, it's not in there. There it is, right there. So this is the CarPlay, and where it is going is right here. So now we got to figure out a way how we're gonna mount this right there in the front. And like I said before in a previous video, this key is going away. So I got to change this tree out because on the old bike, on the parts bike, the tree is already broke on this. So I'm gonna take this off and switch it over here. And then we're gonna figure out how we're gonna mount this screen right here. Okay, after getting the key removed, shaved off, I did, however, raise the bike just a little bit because it was too low to begin with. So now I got it raised up a bit. So now we're gonna work on getting this situated. And this is where these two things come into play. So I want to be able to move this off freely and to take it off if I need to access the bolt there. So I'm gonna use this, cut it out. These are direct size to fit these forks. So once I cut it out to the proper height, I'm gonna do it so in case I wanna lower it a little bit more. So these are gonna be a little bit longer than these are, just in case I need to do some adjustments. And I'm just gonna leave space. People didn't know you could do this trick. So if you got your forks sticking up really high, look at it, I still got the lid. It hasn't even been cracked. You can put it on just like that. So now I don't have to worry about trying to get my diameter because I already got the perfect diameter. So yeah, if you wanted to spice up your bike a little bit, you could just put you on some of these. And look at that. I did this back in 08. I had two of these Red Bulls on my motorcycle when it was completely done. It actually get complimented very well. But yeah, if you want to do something a little bit different, yeah, just throw these things on. So now I know this is the perfect diameter and it works perfectly. So now what we're about to do, we're gonna take these back off. Then I'm gonna put down my aluminum foil because I don't want to damage anything right here and I want it to be able to be removable. So I'm gonna put my aluminum foil around this area, and then we will start to work on our mounting point for the CarPlay. Now, when you get it to this point, it is time to figure out how you want the CarPlay to sit. So I think I kind of want it to sit something like this. So now here is the structure that is going to hold the CarPlay. This is gonna get strengthened up a whole lot more with the fiberglass mat, but however, I need to take this off because this is the bracket that holds the CarPlay in place. So I'm gonna cut it right here on the side and then put it right here, and then we're gonna fiberglass over it to give it strength. So now this is what you will see with the CarPlay in. So now I just gotta clean it up a little bit, put my Felice over top of this to seal the deal. So this will be in here to be removable. So for rain, any weather it might be in, I can just pop it off and take it with me anywhere I go. So I'm thinking seating position to be right here. It's not actually straight, it's kind of tilted back at an angle. It kind of looked like it's too straight. I kind of want to tilt it back just a hair more, but I think I'm gonna leave it right there. I think that's pretty good. All right, so I did decide to tilt it back a little bit, brace it in the front just in case anything wanted to move. So I just wanted to make sure this had sturdy support because these brackets here will be staying in there. But wow, it looks good. It looks even better since I tilted it back. So there it goes. And that's how it's gonna sit. I think that's the perfect angle now. All right, I am absolutely happy with this. Let's give it one more test run before we put this, seal the deal. There we go. It is on there. It looks good. I love it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is drilling a hole right here, so and then you won't see any wires exposed when I run the wire to it to power it on. And then the wires to come down for the cameras gonna run down in the back side of it and then through the inside. That is awesome. I love it. That is it, boys and girls. That fiberglass laid down perfectly. It looks so good. Like I literally should. Wow, that looks good. All right, check me out. It is all solid. It is fully dried. And now we're gonna throw on the CarPlay. As you see, I already got it wired in and plugged up because I wanted to see before you do. So it's very simple. See those right there? The bracket? It just snaps right into place. Slide in, boom. Now we're gonna reach down here, hit that key. Well, let me move it. Look at this. CarPlay, baby. On the motorcycle. How awesome is that? Okay, so now that is done. I'm about to put the front face on this thing, bolt everything up, and then we're gonna start working on the sides. I still haven't gotten my new gauge cluster that I'm gonna put right here, so it has not came in yet, but I just wanna see how everything is flowing before I start doing extra stuff. But we're gonna be, main focusing is gonna be on the sides because I think I'm pretty much done with the front face of it. is finally on, and I'm telling you, this thing looks amazing. It looks amazing. So far, so good. Got everything hooked up. All I do is hit the key switch. Now, give me grace. I haven't trimmed around this yet, so some things are a little hard to get off, so I'm using one hand. I'm just letting you know if it gets stuck. I'm gonna keep it in real time, but it might get stuck and I might have to finagle it a little bit, but let me show you. So you're gonna hit the CarPlay, you're gonna hit the switch, CarPlay gonna come on, just like that. Now let's say you done got to the spot, you don't wanna leave your CarPlay out in the sun or in the rain or whatever the case may be. You're just gonna pop it off. And you see in the back, you can just unhook it. Now, it's free, you can take it wherever you want to. This wire will be going through here. So this is also removable. So you need to do something to the triple tree. You need to take them off for some reason. This easily pops off. Like I said, it's a little tight. I still need to clean up in the inside of it. Those cans and the rest of the wood is coming out. I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet, but it's a little tight from the sides. I just need to trim it with my Dremel. Just like that. See, look, it's factory. You can do whatever you want to right now because it's completely factory. Simple. If you want to put it back on, just put it back on. Give it a tap or two. Now, I also want you to know that I will be drilling these out on the sides because on the original, this is where the mounting point is. But I'm actually thinking about just doing a little self-tapper, not self-tapper, but doing a threaded hole just a little bit above this, just to give this some more security so it just don't fly off or pop off or somebody come and grab it, you know. Then take our CarPlay, our cord, and we're gonna plug it in. There she go. She's now connected. And then it's just simple. She just pops. Find the lineup hose and she pops right on. And there you go. Got CarPlay right there on the bike. That is awesome. I can't wait. And these are gonna lift up and I'll mount these down. I'm gonna have still have full turn. No problem with that. So, like I said, when you turn, this is gonna move with the forks. And it will not hit, it has plenty of clearance. So it won't even hit the tank at all. On the next video, we will be tackling the side of this thing. I have a great idea to fix this area. What I wanna do to it to make it really stand out and pop. Just like that, the video has ended. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification so you don't miss any videos and share it with a friend because I'm telling you, I'm doing something that nobody has ever done before. Just like that, I'll see you on the next video.